Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart courses, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a quiz to your SamCart course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a quiz into your course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that if your students are engaged, they're more likely to end up buying more courses from you in the future. And by adding a quiz, it can help increase engagement rather than them just clicking buttons all the way through. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, to add a quiz to one of your courses, here on the left side, click on Apps. Once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options, and you want to click here on Course Platforms. Once you do that, click on the SamCart Courses button right here. Next, choose the course you're going to add a quiz to. So this one right here. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on Units and Lessons. Okay, so quizzes are set up inside of the lessons. So just scroll through until you see the lesson that you would like to add a quiz to. So I have a Chinese food and a Mexican food unit. Inside the Chinese food, I have a lesson on chow mein. So I'm going to click on Edit right here next to the lesson. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 4 options, and you want to click on Quiz. Okay guys, so here is where you can go ahead and set up the quiz. So first you want to set up the settings. So we can go ahead and enable the quiz. You can also require it for your students before they can move on to other lessons. And then you can set a minimum percentage score. So let's go ahead and set it up at 80. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start adding questions into our quiz. So click here, Add New Question. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add the question. So this is a lesson on chow mein. So what is the main ingredient of chow mein? Okay, here you can go ahead and upload an image if you want. I'm not going to do that. And then here we're going to go ahead and add the answer, noodles. Okay, so once you've entered in the answer, go ahead and add a new question. Okay, so is it spicy? And then we'll just say no. Answer, maybe. Okay, so now they're going to need to choose yes. And then up here, we're going to go ahead and add a new answer, bread, and one more answer, burrito. Okay, so you can go ahead and build out this quiz as much as you want. I'm just going to add these 2 questions now. So now you can see we have 2 questions, and each one has 3 answers, multiple choice that they can choose from. And then once you're done, click on Save here on the top right. Now, if you want to see what it looks like, click on View Lesson. Okay, here's the lesson, and they can go ahead and take a quiz. Okay, so here is question 1 of 2. So what is the main ingredient of chow mein? So they're going to click on noodles. Next question, is it spicy? We'll just put maybe and review the answers. Okay, now they can go ahead and look at their answers and submit for grading. Okay, now it lets them know 50% is what they scored. So they answered 1 question of 2. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a quiz into your SamCart course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.